Having trouble with Mi Cloud on your Xiaomi device? In this video, I'll explain why it fails and share 9 easy fixes to get your backups and sync working smoothly again. Part 1. Why is Mi Cloud not working? Unstable internet, Xiaomi server downtime, full cloud storage, sync disabled, outdated MIUI or Mi Cloud app, login or verification issues, battery saver limits, corrupted app cache data, wrong date and time, system or settings errors. Part 2. Troubleshoot Mi Cloud, not working with 9 fixes. Fix 1. Ensure Mi Cloud is enabled. On Xiaomi, go to Settings Mi Account Mi Cloud and sign in. Turn sync on for your data. Enable auto sync in accounts and sync, and ensure Mi Cloud isn't restricted. In battery saver apps. Fix 2. Grant permissions to specific data. On Xiaomi, go to Settings Mi Account Mi Cloud, sign in, and toggle sync on for your data. Then, grant necessary permissions in Settings Privacy Protection Permission Manager, or Apps Mi Cloud App Permissions. Fix 3. A login Mi Account. Go to Settings Mi Account, tap Sign Out, restart your Xiaomi, then sign back in to refresh Mi Cloud Sync. Fix 4. Maintain a stable connection. Use a strong Wi-Fi or mobile signal. Toggle airplane mode, switch networks. Restart your router or reset network settings to fix Mi Cloud syncing. Fix 5. Check Mi Cloud storage space. To do this, go to Settings Mi Account Mi Cloud on your Xiaomi phone. Here, you can view the total space, used space, and available space in your account. If storage is full, delete unnecessary files or upgrade your Mi Cloud plan to allow new data to sync. Fix 6. Restart Xiaomi or Redmi or Poco phone. To restart your Xiaomi, Redmi, or Poco phone, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Tap Restart or Reboot and wait for the device to power itself back on. Once restarted, check if Mi Cloud starts syncing properly. Fix 7. Update MIUI version. Open Settings on your Xiaomi phone and go to About Phone. Tap MIUI version and then select Check for updates. If an update is available, download and install it, then restart your device to see if Mi Cloud works correctly. Fix 8. Clear Mi Cloud, app cache, and data. Open Settings on your Xiaomi phone and go to Apps or Manage Apps. Find and tap on Mi Cloud from the app list. Then, select Clear Cache first. If needed, tap Clear Data. Note that clearing data may require you to log in again. Fix 9. Confirm Mi Cloud server status. Visit Xiaomi's official Mi Cloud website at https://imicom and check for any outage or maintenance announcements. You can also look for updates or reports on Xiaomi's official social media channels and community forums. Part 3. Use a better Mi Cloud alternative. Mobikin Assistant for Android, Windows, and Mac is an outstanding tool that serves as a great alternative to Mi Cloud for managing Xiaomi data. It offers a more stable and error-free experience when syncing contacts, messages, photos, and other files. After the free download, you can use this tool to manage your Xiaomi or Android phone, or sync the device conveniently. Download Mobikin Assistant for Android on PC. Connect your phone via USB. Follow on-screen instructions and access all detected files in the main interface. Step 3. After the recognition, you can go to the left panel or the top menu to transfer, backup, restore, or manage your device data on your computer without any difficulty.